At Lucid, we're all about user-centered design. We want to have a really clear picture of what our users need and how they interact with our products. So we use Lucid for journey mapping. Here's what that looks like. We use Lucidspark to capture insights from user interviews. Then we can quickly synthesize all these notes into more focused themes and key findings. From that boiled down research, we create personas. Then we map out the user experience. We lay out key touch points and then track our users' needs, behaviors, and emotions. These journey maps help us really align on what our users are experiencing. We can share that knowledge amongst the entire team. And then we want to put those insights into immediate action. Opportunities become actual tasks, insights become design updates, and we're quickly delivering value to our users. Journey maps really get our product teams thinking through the lens of our users. And with Lucid, we're all aligned on exactly what that looks like and how we can make impactful changes.